kids. In this video we'll be seeing how to make a paper mask. So let's get started. So for this activity we need a blue color paper. So I'm only going to take a half piece of paper because the mask doesn't need a full paper. So the first step is that we have to fold the paper in half. Step number 2 is that we have to fold both the sides to the middle line and unfold it back. So now we have to take the bottom part of the paper and fold it to the top line. And now I'm opening the paper and I'm taking this side and folding it to the top line. So now we have to open all the paper. Then we have to take this piece of paper and fold it. So I'm folding it to the top. Now I'm taking another, leaving one line here and I'm taking the other line and I'm folding it and I'm repeating the same step. Now I'm taking the third line and I'm doing the same step again. So now I'm done folding. Now I'm turning the paper to the opposite side and folding a little bit on both the sides. And I'm folding a little bit on the bottom as well. So now I'm going to take some sellotape and tape it here. So I'm taking sellotape and I'm taping it on both the sides. So I'm taping it on this side as well. So now I'm taking 2 strips of white paper. And we have to tape it on both the sides like this, here and here. So we have to tape it in the corners. And I'm taping it here. And I'm taking another piece of white paper and I'm taping it on both the sides. So our paper mask is ready. This is a very beautiful mask and it looks like a real surgical mask, and you can make it in an easy way. And if you forget to take your mask out anyway, you can make a paper mask in an easy way. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Bye!